What's going on, guys? This is Miten Kakaiya here, and I am your HRX coach for today, taking you through an entire core workout which is going to take just 10 minutes, and all I'm going to use is an HRX mat and some home gym combo equipment. So without wasting much time, let's get started with this workout. This workout has 3 exercises. We're going to take a 10-second gap in between each exercise, do them one after the other, rest for about 60 seconds at the end of the first round, and then start all over again. We do this for a total of 3 rounds and we aim to finish it within 10 minutes. That's right, guys, 10 minutes is all you need for this workout. So I'm going to showcase the exercises first. The first exercise which you're going to do is your leg raises, wherein you simply lie down on the floor, and from here you lift your legs up, and while you lift your legs up, you suck your stomach inside, bring it down to the spine, to the floor. From there, you control on the way back down, go all the way, and just before you touch the floor, you come back up. Remember, every time you come up, you squeeze your stomach inside and then control it on the way down. That's the first exercise. The second exercise is a Russian twist, where you get into a sitting position, lean back slightly, and from here you twist your upper body from side to side. Now you can make this more challenging for yourself by using a weight and going from side to side. And if you want to take it up another notch, what you can do is you can bring your feet in the air and then go from side to side while keeping your lower body stable. That's the second exercise, and the third exercise for today is a side plank weight push out. So the side plank is a very simple exercise where you lie down sideways, make sure there's no hinge at your hips, place your weight on your forearms, make sure your elbow is right underneath your shoulders, and from here you simply lift your hips up. And while you do that, you're going to do a plate push out or a weight push out. So I'm grabbing the weight, get in position and push the weight out, back in, push the weight out, back in. We do this for 10 reps on one side, and then we switch sides and do it for 10 reps once again. So these are the 3 exercises that we're going to do today. Let's get started with the first exercise, which is your leg raises. We do 12 reps of leg raises, rest for 10 seconds, 10 reps of Russian twists, where each rep is when you go on one side, then to the other side. That's 1 rep, and then followed by weighted side plank push outs. We do 10 reps on one side and 10 reps on the other side. Like I said, you rest for about 10 seconds in between each exercise, and we wait 60 seconds at the end of round 1. Repeat this entire routine all over again for total 3 rounds. Alright guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the workout. Grab your position, lie down on the mat. First exercise, leg raises in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 12 reps. 1. Controlled rhythm. 2. Suck your stomach inside when you come up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, easy, 8, keep going, come on, 9, 10, 11, one more, and 12. We wait for 10 seconds and then we start Russian twists. Let's go. 10 reps on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to twist your upper body, feel your obliques do the work. 8, 9, one more, and 10. Nice one, guys. 10 seconds rest. Then we'll start with the next exercise. Okay, so the next exercise, side plank weight push-outs. You get into the side plank position. Remember to keep your body in a straight line. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Change. Other side. Quickly. Let's go. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Nice job, guys. That's the end of round 1. We wait for 60 seconds and then we start all the way from top with the leg raises. Okay, let's get started with round 2. This time I'm going to take it up a notch for myself. If you think you're ready for it, then follow as I do it. This time you simply grab hold of the bar and you hold it above your chest. And from here, let's do the leg raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rhythm and control. 8, 9, easy, squeeze the stomach inside. 10, last 2, 11, one more, and 12. Superb, good job, guys. 10 seconds rest, and we start with the next exercise, which is your Russian pose. Okay, so this time I'm grabbing hold of the weight, grabbing the dumbbell by either side, and let's do 10 reps on each side. 1, 1, 2, 2, keep your lower body stable. 3, twist only using your upper body. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Superb. 10 seconds rest. Now we do the side plank weight push-outs. Okay, 10 seconds down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel the burn. 7, 8, 9, and change. Other side. Without wasting much time. Quick, quick, quick. Come on, everyone. Get in position and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, guys. That's the end of round 2. Almost done with the workout. Just one more round remaining. Believe in yourself. Push yourself. And I'm sure you can do it. Feel the fire in your core. Okay guys, last round. Let's give it your best. And position. Ready? 3, 2, 1 and up. 1, 2, 3, control. 4. Remember, suck your stomach inside and out. 6, 7, 8, 4 more, 9, come on, push it, 10, easy, 11 and 12. Next up, Russian twist. Grab hold of your weights and let's go. 1, 1, 2, 2. Keep that lower body stable. 3, 4. Feel the burn. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more. 10. Lovely. Last set, best set. You got this. Okay, side plank position and up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Change side. Don't waste a lot of time. Quickly, quickly. Come on. Everyone in position together. 3, 2, 1. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Woohoo! Oh guys, that was amazing. This was the end of round 3. Now we've only covered up 8 minutes. I've got a surprise for you at the end of these 8 minutes. And we're all going to do a finisher exercise together, which is your planks. So in order to do your plank, you simply get into the plank position. Now you're going to make sure that your elbows are not too far ahead, nor are they too far behind. They are just underneath your shoulders. Now from here, you're going to make sure your hips are not dropping, nor are your hips too much in the air. Keep your hips just in line so that your body forms a straight line from here. So that your body forms a straight line. So that your body forms a straight line from your head to toe. And from here, you squeeze your glutes, suck your stomach inside, and hold this position for about 120 seconds. Remember, keep your core engaged by sucking your stomach inside. Don't let that belly fall down. Hold it, guys, hold it. Good job, guys. That was an intense plank session. Sweat all around. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's it for today's video. If you found this workout to be useful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friend, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from HRX. Big shout out to HRX for this new range of equipments. You guys have to try it out. They're so firm and sturdy. I enjoy training with them. I'm sure if you have it at home, you're gonna love it too. If you wanna buy it, you can find the link for it in the description of this video. So that's it for today, guys. My name is Miten Kakaiya. You can find me on Instagram. My ID is Miten Kakaiya. You'll find the link for it as well in the description of this video. Until then, stay strong, stay safe, and keep going!